guys, welcome back to another vlog. You know, this morning this I wanna look different. We're doing a reaction video for the one Wally. Boy, I get up this morning. Every morning I get up in round so I watch TV and I relax. Same at de-stress. And the girl have work for do. I have something for him this morning. I have a list of things we're gonna give him for do. So guys, watch out for this, how this pan out. Cause right now I'm around a little dining area. I don't know see a table. I have to take out the table because we're going to change the table. So when nobody say if the girl on the table, I have table where I change the table, right? But this morning, you know when they so watch TV. And me have come for him. Watch out what I go on. I'm going to give him some chores. So you say I write it down right here so. Because guys, you know when girl have the upper hand from last night, we are going to make it happen this morning. But guys, before I go on, make sure you like this video. Your girl Rashi said Team Rashi. You hear me tell you? Me I go around there now and I want to do this for you know. Make sure you like the video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe right now. Because watch what we're going to do him. We're going to do him. Guys, watch out. You mean you're not supposed to do one video this morning? Supposed to do one video this morning. You know, maybe I tap it there right now.
Hold up the camera.
So what you up to? You're not just wake? Yeah?
25 minutes, 20 minutes.
Me know. Because you get up right after me, so I know say you're awake.
Oh yeah, I try. You can't make the video. Maybe I do read video man, you know, my way I try.
No, but you know, I may have some gift for you. You know the thing when them bring around and you can pick a gift for the day you want to do a video on that.
What do you mean?
Like, you know the couples them do it like you have a list of stuff and you just pick from it and you pick like the nice stuff. Like you just pick nice stuff like what you don't want to buy for you or something like that.
Oh yeah, but such a thing where you pick
Yeah.
it, so tell them to show me it online.
No, you gotta pick it and then me gonna know what I must buy. But anything from this, you have to do it. Jeremy? Me serious, you know?
Yeah, she come with the foolishness now.
You know, say you not fear because there's enough things me do for you. Even when me don't want
Like
to
what?
do it. No, you know, but I even make we talk about this for camera.
Yo,
Right?
If I
You have to agree with the term. Me a record for you.
There's a hype, you look at something, man.
What happened to that? Nothing wrong with that. You a look at hype when you make videos?
Yeah, relax. I have a video for editing now.
No matter, but alright. You see what you ask me to do for you later, me not do it.
No, but me I say, you know, so my time I come in late last night or something.
Then what? I just want a little video me ask you for make. You know how much ideas you work with when me no want?
What this video is about?
Me tell you already. Basically, you pick something that I want you to do, which can be good or it can be bad.
It can be bad.
Alright, sometimes you have different things, but you just have to agree to it. You can't do that. Look how much things you want to do and may work with you.
Relax, you know.
Then that's the whole fun about it. Me I will work hard for you. Me I tell lie. So come pick the first one. The first one. Hold out your hand, watch her. Hold out your hand. The first one. I see our time now. We have to keep moving because we have a lot of stuff for the day. Ta-da!
Breakfast stuff, morning.
Nice. Come now. Come start. What time now? Yeah man, a good time now. Come,
Breakfast
get it
enough
rolling.
morning.
Yeah, me know that, but this morning something special for you, so you're not gonna complain. I would love this. Please do.
Yeah, but well, the problem with cooking breakfast now is that you have to think that if you cook breakfast, then you're going to clean up after.
We'll go as the time go by. So come now, no come man. Come now, me the party
You
people
at least,
come.
you know, because let me tell you something. If you record for real, Guys, enough man and me cook breakfast.
How you say?
Of course.
How much percentage I say?
Morning?
Yeah.
Enough
Versus me.
50-50, me that's it.
Me and you go 50-50 with breakfast. You mean a two lie. Don't do that.
This is not man, me cook, wash
No,
and
no,
clean,
no,
you know.
no, no, no. Me that say you do it 90, me do it 95% of the time and you are the 5%.
Cut out that, man.
Come, cause if you da cook breakfast, how you da lay down in a chair?
Come here, chillax first.
No, welcome then, come chillax around here, sir.
Prank can't prank my man. You could have
This
never
is
done.
this is not a prank. Wanna see a reaction, wanna
Let
see
me
your
see if
face.
you're record for real. I didn't think you deal with.
No, see there true.
Alright.
Go on, come.
So,
Get ready, go, get ready, go.
Guys, so this is where Rashida come with now. You can't put me to the test now.
And you cook something nice.
Alright, cook something nice.
There you go cook.
You mash up morning still.
What you gonna cook?
Guys, make sure this is me always a cook, you know what I mean?
Yeah there. Oh, what could I cause this? You could see. You are gonna decide. We in the kitchen decide cook something nice.
Food not even in the house.
A true man. Be creative. Go, 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 go. Getcha.
Now man, you forget about beef, right?
You put them too far.
Watch it.
Yes man, you know you used to cooking. That's why.
You may cook breakfast, but I have plantains, you know what I mean? So, we have some plantain. I'm going to fry up them plantain here, right? And make this
Two plantain, you gonna fry so much plantain?
Use one plantain. Use one plantain, eh?
Of course. It's your plantain scares.
And me I cook, so.
How could I cause this, man?
So guys, all who love plantain, say Wally, big up Wally straight, alright? So we have two plantain.
Plantains.
Competition thing you already know, man. So.
All something they gone left you because you're nervous.
Oh.
Cause you know you used to cook. You say two plantain.
Two plantains, right?
Yes.
Two plantains. And guess what? Go on.
Well, go on.
Yeah, man. So, watch what go on. Watch what go on. So, guys, I have my spam, right? All who love spam. See that? Look on the sandwich. So, nice spam sandwich. And I have plantains. And I'm going to put a little touch to it, alright? Stay tuned, guys, because you feel so I can't cook on camera. I know that I test right now, obviously I can't cook on camera, but I'm going to do the dough still.
Yeah,
I'm going to do the dough.
Make you see. Guys, stay tuned for it. A flapper fly this morning. Watch him. Yes, man. That you forget.
Watch what go on.
Alright, make you see. Yes, sir. Ready now.
Yeah.
Ready, set, go. Go, go, go. Yeah, man, cut up your plantain. It's your friend that say, angle your cangle.
Wash my hand. Alright. Alright.
Yes, man. What them say, Jeremy? Angle your cangle.
Angle your cangle. Alright, so guys, as you can see, this is how I, peel plantains. We just slice
Everything
it,
big.
and we just, take off the skin. Do that quickly. Put them one side. And then for me, I don't like the plantains them too long. So I always cut it in half. And then cut the two halves in two other halves. So I have 4 pieces. Cut down the middle. And then I start slice them from there. You understand? So I have a whole heap of plantains.
The plantain firm or what?
This one a little bit too firm. I don't like it so firm. But It go on.
But so some people, if the plant not firm, them not like it.
They like it soft and nice.
For the purpose of sandwich, it nicer when it kind of saggy, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it overripe almost.
Yeah. These plantains could have ripe a little bit more, guys. You know what I mean? Come show them the plantains and planting them cut nice and neat because, on a one chef over here, guys.
So people do planting like this, them cut things neater when them not cook regular. And plus then take long for done cook.
Yeah, they take long for cook, guys.
God, can you not do it all the while?
Just know the taste. Bingo.
Yeah, there.
Alright, guys, so I have all the plantains there. And so, I'm going to cut everything at the same time. Inside of a fry the plantain and then cut the spam. I'm going to just cut up the spam. is how I do my thing.
See if I got it good.
Guys, you can know Rashi don't know nothing about recording, you know, man. You see Ango she there? When I record her cooking videos, I make she look spectacular.
You want me to make it look short?
You're up on the wrong side. But it's alright, it's alright. It's how the food going to look when it finished, right?
Burn it up, man.
That's what the flame did answer on.
I love plantains. Who love plantains? Comment below. Plantain lovers over here. I tell you. And when you fry plantain, guys, it just smell up the whole house. Yeah.
Nice.
Plantain coming like KFC.
You get what this morning, eh?
Wow, I feel good. Right now, I should I get breakfast in bed. Guys, comment below. Now that I'm supposed to get breakfast in bed. I deserve that.
Nope, you don't.
You don't think so?
No.
Let's see, huh?
Planted them soon, guys. Oh, the pot of why stove of fire.
So, man, that side is the faster side, you know.
But it's on low.
That side is fast.
Guys, tell me one thing about the electric stove versus the gas stove.
Like if you prefer it?
Yeah, sometimes it fast.
But I prefer the thing with the electric stove, guys, you have to turn off the stove before you actually done cook. So say you want something for simmer and it need a 5 minutes or 10 minutes on a gas stove, you can leave it on the electric stove. Just that me think about it. Faster.
Already I thought right now I feel uncomfortable. I don't like see you, you know, you're not cooking. Guys, I rush if you're cooking.
You know easy cooking mark on my name.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you supposed to cook? Guys, drop a comment if Rashi supposed to cook.
No man supposed to share the duties, you know easy. Especially you can do this year 5% and you complain.
50-50 man.
Which 50? You must be mad.
Guys, the planting them are going still. Guys, tell me if you want to see Rashi in the kitchen.
See me in the kitchen, them tired to see me in the kitchen, them want to see me in the kitchen.
Hold on, if Rashi in the kitchen right now, we not get better clippings.
No, because you're the better cameraman.
Yeah, people want some good food.
Yeah, but no matter once they must see the man do it, it's encouraging. Yes. So they want to see you in the kitchen and you are do certain things.
Should I use the bigger part, not so? This is the nicest part for all those who love spam.
Like you. Well, me love spam too.
Guys, you don't need to fry the spam for too long. You know what I mean?
You know, so some people just microwave it.
Yeah, but microwave it sometimes.
But when you do it, so you get the little crispy thing about it.
Yeah. Alright, spam looking good.
Let me see where I'm reach.
Yeah man, spam are going. So basically, spam them fry up already, guys.
So I like it now, it round the edges kind of crispy, yeah.
Yeah, I'm
nice,
planting
like
over there, so.
ash brown. You want to do ash brown?
No, too much nice is that.
Okay.
So we are 15. So me just like squeeze out some of the oil, you know. Fry too much fried stuff not really good for you. So me just like get out some of the oil. All tight, alright? Sandwich coming up.
So he's gonna put the sandwich together.
Yeah guys, so me just realized that the bread finished basically bread back leaves, so you know. Russia forget that. Russia bright. The one you have for Russia guys.
You're bright and facey. You will get the bread back.
Yeah, so
anybody share,
get the bread
them
back.
get the worst.
Alright, good. So you take the worst this time around. So as I can see, bread finished. We never really prepare for this, guys. But so we're gonna do the last bread back.
You know eat it? You want
no, we have 3 sandwiches.
You know want half. You know want half sandwich.
Not really. Maybe. Make us see. This one here, so here, so quickly, guys, quickly. You know what I mean? Nice like a breakfast. You loving what's going on?
I love it. I hope it's every day. I swear, I like it.
So guys, plantains, you know.
Yes, I saw me like it.
Yeah, one of the favorite parts now is to put the cheese on.
No extra cheese?
No.
One
Unless
cheese.
you want the extra
No,
cheese.
you love all the extra cheese. So
Yeah, but not with spam. Not with
Okay.
spam. You know me funny already certain way, you know. Alright guys, tell me if you like the breakfast. Press up the like button, guys. You don't know.
Press the like button, guys.
Bossy breakfast.
Guys, tell me if you comment below and tell me if you love spam. If you had it before, if you never had it, if you like it, if you not like it, what you not like about it, just comment below and let me know. If you're a spam lover like us,
and mommy don't kill me. Because you know mommy not like when me eat too much spam. You know. Mommy, it's been a while since I've ate spam.
Since you had it?
Yeah, since I had spam. Same thing. Oh. My sauce, you realize me what on my sauce through me attack. Guys, me have to take out about my cheese and put on my sauce, right? I like the hot pepper. Give it a little sting, you know.
Big up Grace.
Yeah man, the hot pepper give it a nice sting. Hope Rashi show what I go on, you know.
Yeah, sure, man.
And then guys, you know, put on a little ketchup. You know.
Ooh.
Not really healthy, you know, guys, but you know. I have to put a little taste of the ketchup on it. Give a little sweetish taste. You know, not too much. Right?
Like it give it something like a tangy.
Yeah, give it a little nice sweet taste.
Like a little almost sourish, like.
Yeah.
And then the cheese cheesy and then the thing a little salty.
You hear the food of them. Guys, you know, put on a little blue cheese.
Guys, remember the queen? That's the queen sauce, you know, the blue cheese.
Right? You have to touch it lightly with the blue cheese.
Because it's strong, you know?
Lightly, blue cheese. No, this is what you call a sandwich. This is how you want actually why you come make me up. Okay, you know, me not play with sandwich, you know, man.
Guys, I'm bad for chew with sandwiches. We're not telling a lie.
Now, when I touch it with the ranch. The ranch kind of finished. What do you think?
Okay, use it hard.
What do you think?
Yeah, add the ranch.
I need to throw it out or something because when you shake it out, not where I'm going to come on evenly, right? You won't have an even distribution.
Oh, like some might take a watery, like?
Yeah, it's kind of funny. So I just throw it out now this.
And then spread it.
And then I spread it, right? Yeah, guys, so you see it? Kind of look a bit different. Guys, this is how I make sandwiches still. I'm not sure if you like it, but trust me, the taste.
Superb.
Yeah, man, you're going to be something to die for.
King of sandwiches.
Out of ranch still.
That's like our go-to sandwich sauce, guys. The ranch is bad, like yours.
Touch of blue cheese.
No, sir. No, sir.
Just remember, this won't happen again here.
Like your tail.
No, for a long while, it's not happening again for a long while.
You're just making sandwich. So guys, he's big on, me that say, continental breakfast. But your girl, me like the, what me like, Jermaine? What type of breakfast? Jamaican breakfast?
Dumpling and banana and curry chicken.
But oh, that's weird, you know, so enough man
Watch
like
the
them
cheese,
food,
though.
eh?
Watch the cheese. No, me have my moments, but nice. Look at that, guys.
Alright.
Nice.
The way you wash it again, you think when I put it in the fridge, it now wash?
I don't know where you do, Rashi.
Everything you see me put, when I put the vegetable, I wash them before I put them in.
Guys, me just like wash my vegetables. It's just that. It just feel awkward. So guys, the baby spinach, we top it off with a little baby spinach. Alright?
Baby
the camera
spinach.
lady will catch what go on in them.
Of course, but it's not easy. Guys, don't see what's going on. Very nice. The color them pretty, you see, Jeremy?
Yeah. So you have enough veggies in it. So it's a balanced diet. Alright?
So you have your starch, you have your veggie, you don't have no nuts. So it's not balanced.
No, not there. Or legumes or whatever.
And the cheese, and the dairy.
Alright, so you don't want to put too much veggies
Protein,
on it though, but that's
so.
enough. This one could take one more. Looking good. Don't play with that sandwich, you know, guys. It's very, very nice. Right? We're going to close them now. Right? Close the sandwiches now. Ta-da! 3 lovely sandwiches.
And the one with the bread back for you.
What wrong? So guys, we just have some leftovers here. You have greedy people like Rashi.
Lie, guys, is him going come back for it. Him always come back in the pot. Always.
We have some greedy people.
Guys, if your husband always come back in the pot, comment below. Because that is his style.
So guys, tell me if you think Wally makes good sandwiches, alright?
Watch ya. I know him, yeah look know him.
Then you wake me up. I mean, I relax and watch the TV and wake me up for make sandwich, so.
So look how much time I do things for you. So what's wrong with that? Eh?
Is there anything else you want from me?
Yes, I have a list for you. You will see next. Guys, we just done eat. You see a girl happy? We love food, don't it? Alright. Watch him. Jeremy.
Guys, you couldn't make us see that a while ago. We tear them up, those sandwiches.
Nice, don't you? And I had mine with orange juice, guys. Really, really nice. Alright, so we have something else for you. You need to pick.
Come now, Rashida, make speed it up now. I'm tired now. Come on. What a word that I'm doing now.
What it says?
Oh, this light.
What it say?
Oh, but me not happy. So guys, wash the dishes. Let's go. Let's go. But when I have much this thing, I use the dishwasher. Guys,
you know,
hey, don't stop the camera. Don't stop the camera. Don't stop the camera.
I never say use the dishwasher.
No. So guys, this task have finished already. Dishwasher straight. We're done with you.
Shortcut.
We're done with
You're
you.
thief.
Guys, a while ago Rashi try to stop the camera quick. No, that's done with. That's done.
You're thief. My cook, guys. Enough.
Next one.
Next time.
Next one. That's finished. Next one. The whole thing you're gonna wash at this. The cutting board. Next one.
And the last one, I should have a longer list.
Next one. What's the last one? Let me finish this first. You can catch. Guys, a while ago Rashi tried to stop the camera quick. No.
Woo.
So guys, this is the only thing I will be washing right now.
You know, so I mean, make it work lighter because I wash out some of the plate
It doesn't really matter.
last night, so it just,
Because
you know.
when I catch you, you'll be crying with things to do.
You can't catch me. Me always I do things. Only who always not do it. With you always not doing nothing, so me can't catch you. But yeah, relax. I mean, need to cock up my foot now.
Alright, so washing up finish.
Shortcut, you take, you know?
No, not shortcut.
We should have put not dishwasher.
It said wash the dishes.
Next time I will
Wash
do.
the
Alright,
dishes.
no worry yourself.
Wash the dishes.
As my mother would have said, no worry your head.
Very quickly.
No worry
playing
your head.
around. No playing around. It's done. We're done.
You're a big thief.
You need to
Shortcut.
be specific. Don't be ambiguous, right? Don't be ambiguous, alright? Because people will capitalize on that ambiguity, right?
Him think you done, but we just have one last one.
Guys, tell me how I go on so far. Let me know how I go on so far. Beat her 6.
Alright.
What is
Guys,
this
I
one?
make you see it before him. Him have this to do. This is my last thing. I never get to do it yesterday.
that?
You know, see it?
Come on, man.
Knock
Come
yourself
on,
out.
man.
Come, knock yourself out. Quickly, quick and fast.
Vacuum
Quick
the
and
carpet.
fast.
I wonder if she spelled vacuum right. I even didn't check this to see if she spelled it right, you know, man.
You
You
know
can't
some bad
spell
pan
it, man.
spelling.
Vacuum the carpet. Right? Vacuum the carpet. Alright.
You should even ask. Go now. Go now.
Okay, that's not easy. Alright, guys. We're there.
Yeah, man, get busy. Just get busy.
It's a light trade. It's all we do every day, you know, man. Twice
Lie
a day.
tell.
Guys,
You
we do this-
vacuum carpet, Jeremy. You be saying that man are wicked, you see, man.
Guys, we do this 3 times a day.
Lie tell.
This is the least.
Yeah, man. You need to do it every day now. Yeah, man, get busy. Just get busy. Yeah. Go. Make sure you do it good enough.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Work it.
I am Jenny now, so close, you know.
We do it. Where you find? Where you find? Hope you do it good, you know. And you see some fine things in the carpet.
No, you put through it's so fluffy. It's hard, yeah.
So me have to do it all the time.
Yeah.
And you say you're short on?
3 times. 3 times a day.
You not even check the carpet if no earring, if no pin, nothing in it. You not check it.
Guys, I checked that already.
You just put the vacuum on it and never check the mat. Yes man, go to work. You need to do this more often. You know, say if I never do so much work, you would have more stuff to do. You know that though. You work light, now me I think about it. I should say vacuum the house, not the carpet.
No, I gotta vacuum the living room and I'm done. I don't like you rushing. I don't vacuum carpet.
Oh, me vacuum everywhere. If the place never clean, you could have just a vacuum carpet.
Guys,
Because me never get to do that part yesterday. The guys must make them know. What? What they should know?
Huh?
What they should know?
No, it's just like, you know, we tried something this morning, it didn't work.
Ooh, why never work? It work, you know, lay down in the chair. And me, the run you just a vacuum like me a servant. Now you get up and do something. You know what I mean? So I feel satisfied. Yeah guys, set Team Rashi all the way. Yes, we get boy for the things. Watch out. What them say? Good, we don't forget things. Finish the statement, Jermaine. Fill in the blank. What kind of girl forget things? Guys, comment below if you don't know that song. What type of girl forget things? Come, Jermaine. Fill in the blank. What type of girl forget things?
Oh, it's a good body girl?
No, the good. So guys, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the other videos coming up and tell me if you like it. You hear? Alright guys, so get the guy them for work. Yeah. You have to use your magic. You have to use the go-to. Yeah man, you have to use your go-to. You have to use your good mechanism and get boy for work. Watch out.
Mechanism?
Good.
Mechanism, yes.
Mechanism.
Come here.
Mechanism.
Okay.
A brighten thing, girl I go high school. Mechanism. Good mechanism and make guy do work. Watch him. Yeah man, so guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.